Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use Capcut for TikTok. So first thing we're gonna do is open the Capcut application here. Okay, let's open the Capcut, and now let's start the new project, or you can also the previous project that you have here. So I already have the video here, and I would like to make sure that the ratio of this video is the same as ratio for TikTok. So please take a look on this bottom line and go into the ratio, and here you will be generated into several ratio that are provided by Capcut application. And if you can see here, there is a TikTok symbol. You just need to click it. Okay, so now after you click it, just click done. Okay, now you already have the ratio for the TikTok, and after that you can also click an audio to add the sounds, the big sounds for the video. And after that, if you are on this TikTok symbol, you can click link to TikTok account to connecting your CapCut application into your TikTok account. Just click OK, and then now you just need to do an authorize. Hold on, and now you already your CapCut application is already connected with your TikTok account. Now you can explore the music by saving or adding the sounds from TikTok to add into this video. And after you finish, you just need to export this video. Hold on, and now you already can upload this video directly into your TikTok account by just clicking this. And now you already in a TikTok application, and if you already okay with the video, just click next. And now you just need to click pause to pause the video into your TikTok account. And that's all the way how you use CapCut for TikTok. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.